Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can apply the summer bubbles effects to your video on CapCut. So first, you just need to prepare the clips that you want to edit, and then just go to the video effects. So here, find the light effect category. Just swipe. Okay, so this is the light effect, and in here you just need to find the summer bubble effect. So just click on that effect, and here you'll get the bubbles effect for your video. And in here you can also adjust the atmosphere, filter, intensity, and also the speed of the bubble. I'm going to make it slower like this, and I'm going to lower the filter, and you are done. I think it looks real to me, and this is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. Bye.